lo mntwana is the same girl behlangana naye ekhulelwe nje. Ngokwazi kwami uMakhumalo wayenengane engasiyona eyababa uMseleku.
Uyangilahla ungilahla number 5 and then come to me and say awukazi ungilahle.
Mthombeni, continue with into yenzayo nomkakho. Just nje ungangifaki mina.
Ngiyafuna ukubonga ukuthi awungishiyanga.
Ngicela aphume lapho cause I can see ukuthi ngizogcina sengidineka.
Yini efanele ngiyilungise?
Uzongiboshela isikhathi ke. Yabo lele. Hayi.
Hey fam, and yes, we are late to this party, but let's get right into it. The absolute emotional roller coaster of Uthando Nesithembu season 9 so far. From Makhumalo's stunning home renovations to bombshell allegations that has everyone talking, the Mseleko family is back and the tension is higher than Mount Kilimanjaro, okay? Maqale's bombshell that to her knowledge Makhumalo once had a child that was biological, not Musa's. Whether this is true or not, the timing is brutal. Coming at a time when Makhumalo is already feeling vulnerable, these claims don't just hurt, they leave a scar. And potentially this could dent their relationship forever. Meanwhile, Makhumalo's home is toppling fine, and I love that it gave her purpose when her marriage felt like it was shifting beneath her feet. The heartbreaking part though, as beautiful as the house is, the man it was built for. Actually, let me refrain. The man she's supposed to share it with is nowhere to be found. We also Makhumalo letting out the heavy truth that's also so scary, that Musa hasn't truly visited the home since its early stages of renovations. He reportedly gave her an ultimatum, do this, and I'm assuming accept Makhwela and I'll come, or don't and I won't. And if that's the case, then that isn't a partnership, that's conditional love. And Musa as well is not holding back. In his diary session, he claims that if he ever left Makhumalo, the world would then see just how much she actually depends on him for everything.
Ngikhathazekile kakhulu inhliziyo yami iqhaza igazi ngoba bavele baphuma bonke abantu kwasala umzumbe ufile.
What do you love about him?
What is love?
Uyazi mhla ngabhongcula ikhonkwane ngaphuma uyovela lo muntu ukuthi ube mengami.
And I'm like, sir, she's renovating your home with her money, she said. And she also mentioned that she's getting used to you not being there. And let me tell you something, once a woman gets comfortable with your absence, it's finished. It's chai. It's bye-bye. So I highly doubt she's still dependent on him as he would like to think. What I think is happening is that she's continuing to detach and his absence is helping her do that. And she is fast learning how to swim alone in this life. We also saw Makhumalo in tears explicitly telling Musa that he's leaving her because of number 5. And on this, I don't know what to make of it because on one hand, she feels replaced, dismissed, and completely alone despite being in a marriage. On the other hand though, she's in a polygamous marriage and what she's feeling is to be expected. And she shouldn't even be feeling anyhow about the new wife because at one point she was the new wife. And the ones that came before her, I'm assuming, were feeling the same way she's feeling now. Even though she's complaining about the girl being from her village, her knowing her and stuff, whatever she's complaining about. But these are the perks of being married to a polygamous man. You should always expect that a new wife will be coming in at any time when he feels like it. So it's a tricky one.
It's iningi manje into with regards to omdunga maphinde basivashela.
Obuza kumacele.
On this side, there's Mbali who's saying, if uthatha omunye umuntu ngiyahamba. Asekuyimpi manje ka last no first.
Kahle kahle uMato walanywa uMasabi. Omunye unumber 3.
Umnandi ukulalela ezinye izinto.
Ayashaya lesithini.
Asipheli futhi akuxoli. Ngikhona nje lapha kaMseleko nje ngephutha. Ngathi decision wrong ngokuthi ngibuyelane noMseleko.
Yo, ingane yozalwa manje lapha kaMseleko ingayenziwa i-paternity test.
Otherwise, let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.